Hey guys, Bridget Bartlett with Vision Marketing and Design. So today I want to talk to you about a free 90-day marketing training that I have available for you through Builderall, which is the digital marketing platform that I use for everything marketing. This training is really in-depth. It's totally free, 100% free, no credit card, no obligation, nothing. I want to show you some of the things that this offers, because even though I have been in marketing for several years, I still learned a lot of things. For those of you that don't know, affiliate marketing is like, it's not like multi-level marketing in the sense that you're building a team that you are coaching and a lot of times kind of pulling people along. I hate to say that, but sometimes it feels like that because a lot of times multi-level marketing companies, people just get into that because they really love a product and they want to get their product for free. And so they think, oh, well, that's easy. I'll just share a few links. Well, as we all know that who have been doing it, it's not that easy. So sometimes people get really discouraged and statistically will drop out after 3 months. And like I've talked about before, that's because the training is really insufficient with multi-level marketing, a majority of the time. I'm not saying every time. But with affiliate marketing, basically you just find a product or a company that you like, and there are hundreds. You can choose anything like health and wellness, any niche. ClickBanks is a website you can go to that has a lot of affiliate links that you can choose from. I definitely always suggest that you choose a company that you really like, that you're interested in, because you're going to have to be looking for content for this company. So one of them is thrivemarket.com. So Thrive is like an organic grocery delivery website. You can just go there and sign up to be an affiliate, and then you get a referral link for free. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to do anything. And there are so many companies like this. And the reason they do this is because they want help they're willing to pay you a commission to get their company out there, to get people signed up. So like with Thrive Market, you can get $20 if someone signs up for a membership. And it's kind of like Sam's Club or any of the other grocery wholesale businesses. You know, you sign up for a membership, so much for the year, and then you can access their products at wholesale pricing. So no signing up. Chewy.com is another one. I really love Chewy. I'm not an affiliate for them yet because I'm overextended at this point, but eventually I probably will become a Chewy affiliate because we use them a lot. They're based here in Indiana, and their customer service is extraordinary. So hats off to Chewy. Anyway, I wanted to get started and show you this 90-day challenge that I have available for you to try. Let me minimize this window. Okay, so once you enter your email address, which is part of getting the leads, you know, I want to follow up with you. That's the whole thing. I'm offering you 90-day training just for your email address. But it's really in depth. It shows you, you know, how affiliate marketing works. Why do most people fail? Search versus social, the two ways to promote. You can see there are multiple videos here. How to get traffic using Quora, which is a forum that, like, basically if you ask how do elephants use their trunks, you Google that, chances are Quora will come up, and they basically get people to answer their questions online. You can answer a question in a very thorough manner, and then if a lot of people say click like on your answer, that tells Quora that it's a really good answer, and then you always show up at the top. So if you're selling weight loss products and you go to Quora and there's a question that says, how do I lose weight? You can answer that with a very thorough, thought out answer, and then suggest your link. And you're not going to get kicked out of Quora for spamming as long as you have given a very thorough answer. Don't just go there and paste your link, and then you're never going to become a great marketer by being a lazy marketer. So, do the research, give them a thorough answer. You always want to give value. It always goes back to giving value. So having said that, more training here. So it shows you how to access the back office of Builderall if that's something that you're interested in. Why it's good to use YouTube. It shows how to get your your YouTube, what to call it, so that it shows up in the searches. So once you complete this section, you will then click on this, and then it goes, you can see on the side here, it'll go to a whole other section. Okay. So right here it says basic, intermediate, advanced. So this whole section is the basic section. Once you complete that, you will it'll unlock the intermediate section, and then so there's more videos there, and then advanced. So this pretty much tells you everything that you need to know about marketing online, whether you choose to sign up with Builderall or you want to use that information to market your other products. It's irrelevant. Really, the whole purpose, the whole reason for them to give that away as value for free is because they want to show you how to do all of those things on Builderall, which is very possible. I do this every day. I love Builderall. I'm going to put my link right here for the free marketing 90-day challenge. You can try it for 7 days if you want to even. So really you lose nothing. You just gain a bunch of information and skills. So if you have any questions, if there's anything that I can help you with, never hesitate to message me, comment below. I will answer every question in the comments. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions, if there's any way that I can help. Have a great night. Until next time.